Hello YouTube friends and fans. Today we're going to work on whatever's in the packages. They are RV related. I'm not sure exactly what it is. So stick around and we'll open it up and accomplish something important. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Hey, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's always very helpful to the channel. And leave a comment if you need to know something. Oh, that's my socket set. I'll have to get the rest of the tool set here in a little bit. Funny story behind that. Let's see what else is inside here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, they're the LED light bulbs I bought. Let's hook them up and see if they make any difference. There's the current light situation. That just squeezes. Something wrong. Let's figure this out. Huh. Could it be a bad bulb? That's strange. Well, let's try the other side and see if same result happens or not. Huh. Well, I don't know. You got any ideas of what's going on here? Please comment, because I ain't got it figured out. Let's go try it somewhere else, see if it makes a difference anywhere else. Well, it works there. Oh, what a difference. Ha! Well, I don't know what's going on out there, but we'll figure it out later. Just for the fun of it, let's try two more. That makes no sense. Oh well, we'll come back to that. I'll show you, stick around to the end, I'll show you what this coach looks like before and after with all new LEDs, if we don't have this issue. Let's see what's in here. Oh boy, I thought it was something super special. Just bug spray. And I think I know what this is. I know, rip it open. Well, I do a lot of eBay shipping, so I can reuse the envelope if I don't destroy it too badly. That didn't help matters much. I can kind of feel what this was. Should be, yep. It'll be a little hard for you to see it in the package, so I'll pull it out. This is a mounting bracket for lift support or strut, or shock, whatever you want to call it. Help keep the doors up when we get into the cargo bays. I'm going to, the old ones don't work like I think they should. Stronger shock kind of puts a little off kilter. So we're going to mount dual shocks and see if that happens to fix my issue. So come back, we'll do that a different day. But let me go get the tool set and show you what's going on there. So this is a set, you should be able to see it, 5/16 up to 1 inch. It's all standard. And you're thinking, well, why didn't you get it in a set? Well, I thought I did. I was wrong. So, all in all, 210-piece set. For the most part, relatively nice. Quality seems like it's there on almost all of it. It has just about everything you could possibly need. You know, a little level, a little mini straight edge. Kids put this on their finger last night and it's like, well, that works pretty good. And I'm like, well, that's what we want to hear. You don't want to hear lack of tension. So the even the ratchet seems like it's rather high quality. It's got a nice little ergonomic bend to it. The issue was set's metric. So, well, almost metric. 5/8 spark plug. So whatever. But you can tell the wire strippers are quality. I mean, not one of the ones where you got to strip it back here underneath the handle. So I haven't used them. I haven't really used anything out of the tool set. So I can give you an update later on. We'll talk about that. But for precision screwdrivers, little tape measure, some place for electrical tape. You know, I mean, there's down here there's zip ties, another nice long razor blade, got scissors, got a ratcheting screwdriver, but all the bits are there, so I can do torques, or any of the Phillips, Star, any of that stuff. There's a couple small Allens in there, so not bad. Of course, you know, screwdrivers. Got a hacksaw there. Never know. So this is going to stay in the RV, and hopefully it'll be very useful. Would have been last weekend. Had a blowout on the bike. Did not have the complete tool set with me at that point, so had to bring the bike back home and didn't get to ride it. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Possibly be doing some more lighting upgrade, and or definitely adding on the shock somewhere on the outside of the coach here in the next week or so. Waiting on the rest of the support brackets to come. I thought they were all the same, but the ones at the top are just flat. They're not that L shape. So, again, see you next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, you know, little bell, all that good jazz. Take care. As promised, we're going to turn all the lights on. I'll replace them, and we'll see the difference. Don't know if this is the same. Okay. These two guys, this guy right here is tube light. So, with the power of magic, snap my fingers, and these will change. Two of the light bulbs took the LED, 3 of the bulbs did not. These two, and this guy right here. That's 2 bulbs, and you can definitely tell a difference. Not sure what the deal is. Again, if you know, please let me know. I'm going to do research myself. See you in the next video.